Your trip is right around the corner. Just need to pack a few more things. But wait, have you checked that you haven't packed something on the no-ship list? Let's check. Adopted outlets and cords are okay. Oh, what is this? Lithium and alkaline batteries? Can't pack those. And yes, that includes tracking devices. You should also leave out the tablets and electric toothbrushes. Aerosols are not acceptable in your luggage, including bug spray, sunscreen, and hairspray. As a general rule, you should not pack food of any kind, including spices and coffee. It's also not advised to pack any medication. This includes prescriptions, vitamins, supplements, and over-the-counter medicine. You cannot lock your bag due to customs regulations, but you are welcome to use a zip tie for added security.